This flipping guy.
I've lost my bumper.
Wasn't listening. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got the Sony Ericsson. Got.
This flipping guy. This flipping guy, I've been telling him, trying to wave at him that something is wrong, and he's just like, oh, bro, it's okay.
I've lost my bumper.
I was waving at you.
It's fine.
Sam, are you in a relationship with the wall? Oh, yeah.
Did you film that or not?
So, of course, yeah, we lost the GoPro. Because this guy, yeah, wanted to kiss the wall.
I didn't want to do it.
But it just happened. Okay, where did you hit it exactly, though?
Can you check on the footage if the GoPro was there?
So, Sam found the GoPro. Is it okay?
Is it still filming? Yeah, it's still filming, fam.
Nice one.
Alright.
Just a little bit of a scratch.
Okay, second.
mister?
Such a nice day, no? So we came here because I thought that it would be good to test the car. There's this spot here, not super far from us. It's pretty chill, not super big, and the tarmac is very nasty for the wheels. It's pretty early in the morning, so we are here alone, which is nice. There is a bit of an issue with the car because I did some runs, and on the corners there was like a cut off the power. It happened before in the event when I got run out of petrol. Marek just went to the petrol station to get some fresh petrol, and we're gonna fill it up and see if this is gonna resolve the problem. Also again, kind of testing this 360 cam. Tried to put on the back of a car, but it felt pretty wobbly. Although I think we got some nice footage. Let me know what you think about the shots from this kind of camera. The quality is, you know, much less than my Sony, but I think it's a nice thing to add to the video. I got a bit greedy and I had a cheeky run when Marek was still away for the petrol, and when I was like very close to the tires there was like power loss once again, so I got straightened out and I hit the tires. It looks like the front's okay, but I lost my I lost my side skirt. Alright, this thing's gone anyway. Well, I guess this is how it is with drift cars, right? I think it's yeah, it's definitely petrol. Something with petrol.
Something was rattling here.
Yeah. Well, when the engine was on.
Yeah, turn it on. Can you hear? Sounds like a loose knuckle. No, I hear.
Yeah. Okay, so a quick recap of the day, recalculation thing and that.
Mathematics. Algebra.
I lost one side skirt and there's this bit of a damage. I lost basically all my bumpers all around, so I need to try and figure it out how to attach them better, stronger. More zip ties.
Yes.
There is an issue with petrol. I don't know what is it. It might be a fuel pump or a fuel tank or some hoses. Basically, like going straight is fine, and some corners is fine, but some corners I'm just losing power. I think it's something with the petrol, but we're gonna check. Another thing is now, literally after the last run, there was some rattling noise coming from like a front of the engine. So it was one of the pulleys probably got loosened. It might be the alternator pulley or one of them timing pulley. Putting the car back on the Vetka, going home. Gonna have a look at the video, gonna edit the video, and hope you guys gonna like the video.
Like and subscribe,
No,
please
no.
leave a comment, share notification below.
As for me, I'm not super happy with how it turned out because I didn't have any clear runs and I couldn't focus on driving. And also the steering wheel. As you know, the steering wheel has the letters stitched And when the wheel is turning in my hands, it hurts very much. I got a hands full of flipping things. What's the name of the things on your hands when you're flipping?
Blisters.
Blisters, yeah.
Blisters.
So I got hands full of blisters, and I need to have gloves for the next time. Hopefully we're gonna fix the car and gonna come here again for a proper training, so I can really spend some time behind the wheel and feel the car better. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Marek, wanna say something?
Why is you gay?
Oh my days.